So how is my emotional intelligence related to my IQ? Your IQ, or intelligence quotient, is measured by a variety of tests, educational qualifications. It measures your intellect and is widely regarded as being fixed. IQ assesses your cognitive skills such as literacy, numeracy, and spatial awareness. Emotional intelligence, on the other hand, refers to your ability to manage your emotions and to respond effectively to other people. You can measure your emotional intelligence by taking a professionally designed assessment. Another question we hear often is my emotional intelligence fixed? The answer is no, it's not. The exciting news is that you can grow and develop your EI through practice and learning. It will constantly change the more we grow and develop an understanding of our feelings and emotions. Through experience, we as humans are constantly changing, and our attitudes and emotions will change also. Therefore, we will react to a situation differently to how we may have done 5 years ago. The ability to identify these changes in our makeup will allow us to have a greater understanding of our own EI and help us develop strategies in order to control our emotions and get the best results from a given situation. Another question we hear quite often is, I want to improve my emotional intelligence. What should I do? Well, there are several things that you can do. For example, you can keep a journal or diary to record and reflect on your experiences. This process of reflection and recording can boost your self-awareness and self-management. This habit will propel you towards more effective behaviors, if we may say. This will be covered in greater detail later in the presentation. You should also actively invite feedback on your behavior from people that you trust. You could start with your partner or a close friend. This honest feedback can help you to identify and act on any kind of blind spots, if you will, that may have caused you difficulty in the past. You can also work with a coach to set goals for improving your emotional intelligence and receive ongoing support as you progress. So improving your emotional intelligence is a very rewarding process. You must invest your efforts and patience to reap the rewards that will transform your career and your quality of life.